This is Flordelisa Nunes for the Configuring News Update. The Rohingya Crisis, 5 years after the 2017 atrocities. The Rohingya crisis is one of the most serious and complex humanitarian crises in the world today. 5 years after the 2017 atrocities, what began as an emergency has become a long term regional displacement crisis affecting nearly 1 million people. The crisis is rooted in decades of discrimination, lack of citizenship, and ongoing insecurity in Myanmar. In August 2017, armed attacks on Myanmar security posts triggered a massive military response. Villages were burned, civilians were killed, and hundreds and thousands of Rohingya people were forced to flee. The United Nations described the violence as a textbook example of ethnic cleansing. Within weeks, hundreds of thousands of Rohingya crossed into Bangladesh, creating one of the fastest refugee crises in modern history. Today, Bangladesh hosts nearly 1 million Rohingya refugees, most living in crowded camps in Cox's Bazar. About half of the population are children, raising serious concern about education, mental health, and future opportunities. To reduce overcrowding, some refugees were relocated to Basan Char, an island remote settlement. However, many refugees remain dependent on humanitarian aid and face restrictions on work and movement, limiting their ability to build their lives. Life in the camps remains difficult. Overcrowding increases the risk of fires, disease outbreaks, and disasters such as monsoons and landslides. Food safety is also uncertain due to funding shortages. Although some food aid was restored after cuts, the system remains fragile. Healthcare, nutrition, and education services continue to face funding challenges, especially affecting children and pregnant women. International efforts are underway to hold those responsible accountable. The International Court of Justice is addressing genocide allegations. The International Criminal Court is investigating crimes such as deportation and persecution. Some national courts, including Argentina, have also issued arrest orders. Investigators continue to collect evidence to support future persecution. Despite legal efforts, safe return to Myanmar remains unlikely. For return to happen, Rohingya must have citizenship rights, freedom of movement, security, and international monitoring. Today, many Rohingya still face severe restrictions and ongoing conflict in Myanmar, making return unsafe. 9 years after the 2017 atrocities, the Rohingya crisis remains unresolved. Without major political change and strong international support, this crisis may continue for many years. The world faces a shared responsibility to protect human rights, support refugees, and work toward lasting peace.